monster is here! Somebody help me! Roar! You cannot escape! I will catch you now! Don't eat me, monster! Gotcha! Haha! I am the fastest monster in the world!
Wow, what a mess! You two energetic kids really scared me.
We are very fast, Dad. We are playing a fun game.
Monsters need energy. Breakfast is ready, but first, go to the bathroom.
I am the first one in the bathroom. I win. A giant bubble monster is coming. Now you look like a funny white-nosed clown, Henry.
Stop playing with soap, kids. Wash your hands well with water.
Bye-bye, germs. Our hands are clean now. I am so hungry. What is for breakfast, Mom? Yummy! I will take this pancake to my pretend spaceship.
No running with food, Henry. Lesson 1. Sit still when we eat.
Okay, Mom. I will sit nicely on my chair. Look, Henry! I can take a giant bite.
Don't do that, Lily. Lesson 2. Take small bites and chew carefully.
Like this, Dad? I take small bites now. Done! Let's go, Lily!
Have a fun day at school. Remember to listen to your teacher.
Walk safely, kids. Don't run on the stairs.
Goodbye, Dad. I will be good today.
Good morning, Henry and Lily. Welcome to class. Please find your seats.
Good morning, Leo. Look at my new shoes. Hi, Henry. My mom gave me a big crunchy apple today. I need water now.
It is snack time, class. Please eat quietly at your desk. Stop, Leo. Never drink with a full mouth. It is not safe.
I am sorry, teacher. I will swallow first.
Good boy. Drinking water when chewing can make you choke easily.
Teacher, look! My mouth is empty, and now I drink water safely.
Excellent, Lily. You remember the safety rules very well.
Hurrah! It is lunchtime! Let's go to the cafeteria, Leo!
Henry, Leo, do not run in the hall. Walk nicely in line.
Wow! This sausage is huge! It is my favorite food! I have healthy soup today. Be careful with your tray, Henry. Hey, guys! Let's sit over there by the window. This is a perfect spot! Time to eat the giant sausage! My soup is a little hot. I will eat it slowly. Roar! I am the orange-toothed monster! I will eat your food! Haha! You look so silly, Leo! A monster with carrot teeth! Guys, stop playing with food! Remember the morning lesson at home? Okay, Lily, I will be a good boy now. Look, Lily! I don't need small bites. My mouth is super big. Henry, you forgot lesson 2. That is too big for you. Henry, yesterday I saw a dog wearing sunglasses riding a bicycle. It was so funny. A dog riding a... Oh no! Haha! Great acting, Henry! You look like a funny monkey now. Playing! Help! Leo, stop laughing! He is not joking! Henry needs help for real! Teacher Sarah! Come help! Henry is coughing so badly! Help us fast!
Oh my God! Henry is in danger! Stay calm, Henry. I am coming right now. I am here, Henry. Hold on, Henry. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you, Teacher Sarah.
That is it, Henry. You did a good job.
Thank you, teacher. I can breathe now. Henry! You scared me so much. Don't do that again.
You are safe now, Henry. But you must remember this lesson for the rest of your life. Attention, everyone! Today we learned 2 very crucial safety lessons from Henry's accident.
Lesson 4. You must neither talk, laugh, or play games when you have food in your mouth.
Lesson 5. If you are choking and cannot speak, always put both hands on your neck to tell everyone you need help immediately.
I promise, teacher. I will never laugh or talk with food in my mouth again.
Dinner is ready, my family. Let's eat safely tonight.
Look, Mom and Dad. I am cutting my food into very small bites, and I am chewing quietly. No talking with a full mouth.
We are very proud of you kids for learning how to eat safely.